Alright, so here we are at the Bales place, Bales. Beautiful little bridge there. A lot of people here today, so we've kind of parked a little weird. Hope nobody has a problem with it, because everybody else is parking weird on here too. We just want to take a look at the different little structures that's put up here. There's a couple there. Range out in front of the house. One of these was moved from Sugarland, is that right? One of these was moved from Sugarlands?
The Jim Bales, no, it's on the next one.
It's on the next one, sorry. My bad, I was wrong.
Jim Bales' place.
This is Jim Bales' place. All right, we're going to go have a look around in the cabin here. Steps, them's new. People talk about an open floor plan. Look here. And again with the graffiti. Look, somebody's got their, I guess, Instagram. Angelia Jasmine 2020. Here's a thought. Don't advertise it here. What we got?
Old nail.
There's one of the old nails. Does it get the flat head?
Yeah, he's out there in the dirt. I mean, no, it don't. It's all.
Oh, it's right off. Huh? I like the little window. Nice fireplace. Nice hole in the ground. I guess that's where you go to the basement. Or keep the children. I'm not sure which. I don't either. I can't get upstairs, but this camera should be able to. We'll take a look and see what's up there.
Oh, wow.
That's where I would live.
My head getting out.
And Lorraine's putting the nail back.
No, I ain't putting it back. I'm just putting it with the cabin.
Putting it with the cabin. We didn't take it with us. Maybe it'll be there for a few hundred generations. Who knows?
Yeah, nobody got hurt.
And nobody will step on it. And then a little new steps there. Oh, there's one of the examples of the rail fencing.
Where's that house?
Yeah, apparently they didn't have outhouses, they just went to the woods. My toe. Pink Jeep Tour, Pink Jeep Tour. And then we'll walk up to the next little building.
Is this the corn crib?
This will be the corn crib, y'all. There was a 360 view inside. And some bees are working up there. Hope they don't come down here and try to sting me, because I really don't like them. And the hinge up top. That's pretty neat. And another part of the other side of the corn crib.
That's where you got the corn out.
Yep. All this side full.
That's where you have something.
I guess everybody comes through here to have a bite. Huh?
Here's its door.
Yep, that door's been broke off at some point.
Good neat.
Would have hung right in here. That's all. That's all.
I didn't break. It's in there now. Nobody else can do that.
Yeah, it's inside the
Go in
corn
there and
crib.
get it.
The door's still there. All right. And last but not least, what's this one, the next one? Did you find more?
Nope, they're new.
And here's some new nails. Well, since they are new, we're going to put them somewhere to hopefully people won't step on them. Always try to leave a place a little bit better than you found it, if you can. If nothing else, don't make it worse. They had a pretty nice setup right here in this open field that they opened up, because you walk right out here. Getting down there wouldn't be nice, but beautiful creek running through. So I'm going up to this one. What'd you call this one again?
This is the barn.
This is the barn.
Jim Bales.
Jim Bales. You could drive through there. There's a nice little crack right here. I'm going to put the nails right in there. They poke in real good and they'll hold. Now nobody will step on them. And the big opening in top for hay. Oh, we can't do that anymore, can we? Political correctness. Don't expect that here. And there's a feed trough. Well, they built these for the cantilever, I believe is the name of it. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Y'all can correct me. But you could drive through. Pretty much all looks the same. I want to pause out just a second. There's a little trail up through her. It actually says 7.6 miles. There's the fence I was trying to explain earlier. If you're ever on the Blue Ridge Parkway on the Virginia side, at Groundhog Mountain, they have Groundhog Mountain, not Grandfather Mountain. They have different varieties of the rail fence that was used in years gone by. And here's the sign for the Grapeyard Ridge Trail, Greenbrier Road, 7.6 miles. I ain't walking no 7.6 miles. I've done that before here, not this trail. We've done the Grotto Falls one. We parked at the wrong place, and instead of having a 1.4 mile walk, we had a 7 point something mile walk. I forget what it was now. But we actually started there at Rainbow Falls and walked to Grotto Falls. That was a long walk that day, and we was a lot younger. We was able to do such things. Walk right over here in this little corner real quick, and then I'm going to hush. I notice I got a log up here. It fell down, don't know which. Just a different view of the creek. That's some sleeping noise right there. Curl up somewhere to listen to that. Best sleep you've ever had. All right, see you guys later.